Hi, hello, and welcome to my one pan roast chicken and braised vegetables. I'm really delighted to share this recipe with you. Let's check out the ingredients for this delicious one pan dinner. Now, for this tasty dish, I have 500 grams of deboned chicken thighs with skin on. These chicken thighs are going to be marinated with a host of ingredients, starting with half a teaspoon of salt, a full teaspoon of garlic powder, a full teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. You can use paprika if you like, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon Maggi seasoning. You can use Worcestershire sauce instead if you have it. You then rub the marinade ingredients into the chicken thighs. Marinate both sides well. Then grab yourself a tablespoon of unsalted butter and rub the butter all over the chicken thighs, including under the skin. This will give us crispy skin. Then let the thighs rest while we prepare the vegetables. Let's start with the vegetables. I have 2 russet potatoes here, weighing about 305 grams. I'm cutting each potato into 3 pieces. Put the potatoes into your roasting pan. Next come 2 sweet potatoes weighing about 220 grams. The sweet potatoes are also cut into chunks. 150 grams of pumpkin is our next ingredient, cut into chunks as well. 1 carrot weighing 95 grams, cut into chunks as well. Two small leeks without the green leaves. Slice up the leeks. The leeks go into the roasting pan as well. Next is a rib of celery weighing 45 grams. Cut the rib of celery into slices for the roasting pan. A big Holland onion comes next. You cut the onion into thick wedges. One small tomato cut into small pieces so that the pieces of tomato can dissolve in the chicken stock used for braising the vegetables. One chicken stock cube dissolved in 1½ cups of hot water. The vegetables will be braised in this chicken stock. Crush the stock cube with a spoon to dissolve it. You next add 6 cloves of garlic with skin on. When the garlic cloves are done, they will be so sweet and tender and taste so good with the braised vegetables. Just ooze them out of their skins. I am so looking forward to this. Next add 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, followed by 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the vegetables. I'm using olive oil, not virgin olive oil. I'm not adding any salt to the vegetables because the chicken stock has salt in it. If there is insufficient salt, you can always add salt at the table. Now let's mix this medley of vegetables with the marinade ingredients. Then pour the chicken stock over the vegetables. Stir to mix everything together. Next step is to lay the chicken thighs skin side up over the vegetables. Roast skin side up because this makes the meat moist and flavorful. Now let's take this to the oven. Place the chicken and vegetables in an oven that has been preheated at 190 degrees for 15 minutes. Then roast for 40 to 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. Let's now take out the chicken and vegetables. Here it is, 1 pan roast chicken and braised vegetables. Let's check it out. The chicken is nicely cooked. As are the vegetables. Served with homemade bread.